In this video, we're gonna learn our first command, which is the line command, and there is many ways to access this command. Just simply by clicking on the line icon and the home palette on the ribbon. Then by specifying the first point, you can enter any point you want, or by specifying it on the screen, just like that. Then the second point, just like that. Then another way, just by typing an L on the screen, then clicking on the line, then the same procedure, specify the first point, then the next point. Another way to access this line is just go into view, then go on the tool palette, then clicking on the line, then the same procedure, just like this, specify the first point and the next point, just like that. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe for the channel. Stay tuned for another video. Thank you very much.